Welcome to Furniture Repair by All Furniture Services. All Furniture Services cares about your furniture just as much as you do, and it certainly shows in the team's exemplary work. On-site or in-shop methods and products are chosen to make repairs permanent, invisible, and to return furniture to its original or even better condition. You can assure AFS will do their best to work with customer schedules for utmost convenience, best prices, and guaranteed workmanship. Furniture is bulky. It comes in different shapes and sizes, not always easy to transport, so most repairs and services are offered to be done on site, and only large complete redo, full reupholstery, refinishing, or complex and unique jobs are handled in shop. Servicing multiple states and having technicians that specialized in different materials and fields allows them to handle everything needed by best rules and procedures that were set in place and constantly are improving with years of experience. All Furniture Services is also an official licensed warranty and protection plan repair service company, facility maintenance handler, as well as claims resolution provider for many logistics, shipping, final leg delivery, moving, and insurance companies. Submit a service request. Email info@furnitureservices.com or call at 718-268-2727.